Hi guys! We're back again at ADT Dental Clinic. So, nandito nga pala tayo sa kanilang bagong branch sa Kainta. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, this is Samantha Chua. I'm a flight attendant and a commercial model. Actually, I visited ADT Dental Clinic here in Kainta because I used to wear braces before. But napapansin ko, nag-relapse yung teeth ko. So, I really wanted to find a good option to fix it again. But this time, something more convenient and suitable for my lifestyle. Good thing I was able to talk to Doc Anna. She explained to me about the Aerosmile clear aligners. And honestly, it sounded like a perfect fit for me. Since I'm a flight attendant and a commercial model, ang pagkakaroon ng confident smile is such a big investment in my career. It's something really matter, especially when you're in front of people. That's why I decided to have my consultation here at ADT Dental Clinic Kainta and start my journey with Aura Smile Clear Aligners. Super excited ako to see the result and finally to bring back my perfect smile. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa ADT Dental Clinic at sa buong team for being so accommodating and professional. For my consultation pa lang, sobrang comfortable na ako and I felt that they genuinely care about their patients. Thank you for helping me start my Ara Smile Clear Aligner journey and for bringing back my confidence through my smile. Thank you, ADT Dental Clinic.